Is everybody having fun yet? Alright, alright. I don't know if I've said our name. So we are Midnight Sunsets. That's the name. We got a QR code over here if you don't know, like, us personally, which I'm pretty sure pretty much all of you do in some fashion or form. But there is a QR code over here if you want to give us a follow on Facebook, Instagram. That helps out a lot. We're gonna knock this one out before it gets later in the evening and people get in their cups and start screaming it out. So I like to get ahead of the game there. Please don't run away. I got you so long. I promise that you're gonna understand. And the flames are gone. There's only one thing left to do. I got this frosted on, this frosted purple note. It's big enough for two. I said, back this world to Hey, thank y'all so much. We're going to take a